Hey guys, it's Jen Eskridge of ReannaLily Designs, and I wanted to show you this really cool trick for using your in the ditch or edge stitching presser foot to have perfect machine applique. So today I'm using a hexagon block made from my Hexagons Made Easy book. It's on page 59. It's one of these. It's an extra one. And there's directions in there for how to make the book and how to prepare the hexagon shape for machine applique using a facing technique. So that's already prepared, it's ready to go. So I want to show you this presser foot right here. So on it, it has a little metal flange in the middle, and it's an in the ditch presser foot so that when you quilt in the ditch, that flange will stay right on the seam and allow you to make straight lines. We're going to use it for perfect machine applique. So let me put this on my sewing machine. Okay. So the big trick here is to make sure you have an open needle plate and then scoot your needle position over maybe 2 or 3 little clicks, and your machine will vary a little bit as to how far over it's going to go. So my needle is moving over, and I'm going to take the block that's already centered on the backing fabric and move it to my machine. So when I put my presser foot down, this flange is right at the edge of my shape, and the needle is right on the inside. When you can test it, see how far in it goes. So I'm going to start in the middle of my shape, put my needle in at the corner and pivot and drive around. So I'm just going to start going, and the edge of the shape is going to stay right by that metal. Here's the applied quilt block, and I'll get a little closer so you can see the stitching lines are all equidistant and straight all the way around the shape of the block, thanks to the in the ditch or edge stitching presser foot. If you'd like more information on how I created this block and created the facing for it before I applied it, you can check out my book, Hexagons Made Easy, on my website, ReannaLilyDesigns.com. Bye!